Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about functions and how to create your own function in Python. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to open Visual Studio Code or PyCharm or Idle or any text editor. So I recommend Visual Studio Code. So I'll create a new file and let's name it by functions.py. And let's get now an idea about functions. So functions, it's an lines of code that makes a task. For example, there is a function named by welcome, and this welcome function is greeting the user, saying for him hello user. So how we can create this function? So we say def. This def is the keyword that tells Python now we are creating a new function, and here we'll type the name of the function. Let's say welcome, and here we put brackets. In these brackets you can put inside it parameters, but let's talk about it later. So we'll put a colon, and be sure at the next line there is a space space means you're not starting from the first of the line. Okay, so here we'll type print, let's say hello user. If we run it now, we won't find anything. Why? Because we didn't call the function. We didn't tell the function to start, because it's empty, nothing. So how we can call it? Just come here and type the name of the function and put brackets. Okay, and here just we need to run, and it will run the function welcome, and it will say hello user. Okay, but if you want to develop this function, and let's say we wanted to print the real name of the user, not to print user, for example, let's say Omar. So how we can do this? We come here to the first line, and at these brackets we need to type the name of a parameter, and this parameter is like a variable that the function can use it. So let's say name, and here go to edit the print and put here quotation mark, and just like this, and then here put what space and then quotation mark. Okay, and then here we'll put plus name. So if we run it, we'll get an error because the parameter name is not defined. He didn't get the value. So how we can give him the value? Go to the welcome when we will call the function, and at these brackets we need to type by the order the value of each parameter. So by the order, the first parameter is name, so we'll put quotation mark and type the name. Let's say Omar, for example. So it will print hello Omar. Okay, if we also need to put a new parameter, no problem, you can put a new parameter. How you put a comma and type the new parameter, let's say age, and come here, and here you need to put what space and type, for example, let's say your age is and then after the quotation mark put a space. Before the quotation mark put a space, and then after the quotation mark put a space and go add plus and type age, and now we put the value of the parameter age. How we can do this? So if we put a comma, you can get a hint. So you say here the name and then put a comma, and here put the age value. So come here, put a space and type the age, for example 27, and now we will run the function or the file, and we get hello Omar, your age is 27. So if we change this name, let's say Brooke, for example. So let's say hello Brooke, your age is, for example, 27. So I hope that you had understood. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.